How to install ADP Mobile Solutions app? So just tap on either on the Get button or Cloud icon, and then just confirm the download. This is one of the top HR apps. The cool thing about this is that it's just easily available on your iPhone and on your fingertips, where you can just easily manage, all this HR process right from your phone, and you don't need, sometimes in some situations you don't have access to your laptop. It's super easy to manage it here. So yeah, here you can just have create an account, and then yeah, you can just proceed from there. Just tap your first and last name, for example, and then your birthdays, employee or associate ID, and then you just need to enter your SSN or ETIN number, and then you'll just be able to proceed with that. So yeah, that's how you get started. This is like the data you need to get onboarded into this mobile app.